We are the AeroVironment Swarm Test System Capstone Project. From left to right, we have Peter Lang, Linus Unruh, Roel Castro, George Garcia, Miles Rohn, Marvin Lin, Kenny Kewen, and Mayuan Nguyen. We've been tasked with creating a novel system to allow a single operator to quickly prepare, launch, and recover a collaborative aircraft swarm, demonstrating that with just one system, but designed for a dozen plus. Here our budget is $5,600. Here you can see our mission objective. And here is our aircraft with some quick facts. Our launcher can be seen here. This is our parachute recovery system.